Hi, I'm Davida with WTI, and I want to show you my Acer monitor. This is a 20-inch monitor. This has a DVI and VGA port. It's really great if you're looking to have a second monitor when you are working from home or perhaps you work at an office. I think it's a really great deal for the price. We like using it to be able to see two screens when we are trying to get work done at home, and it's really helpful. So I like the size of the monitor. I find it to be just the perfect size. I also really like that I can easily transfer things from one screen to the other. So it's really great and easy to work with. I'll just show you opening up some applications like the Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, and how it looks right on the screen. As you can see, it's really clear. The functions are really easy to use, just like any normal monitor or screen. And that's my point of view.